How to reset Facebook app. Resetting the Facebook app will remove the glitches and bugs. In order to do that, open the app library of your device. Find the application for Facebook. Once you do that, long press on it. Tap on this option App Info. Now in the App Info interface, tap on this option Storage and Cache. You can see two options, Manage Space, Clear Cache. First, tap on the option Clear Cache. Now tap on the option Manage Space. Now tap on this option Delete that you can see on the screen. Wait for a while. Now after you do that, the app data will be deleted. Go back. Now you can open the Facebook application, log back into your account and your Facebook will be reset. Likewise, you can also uninstall the Facebook application and install it again in order to reset it. Like this, you'll be able to reset the Facebook app. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching.